You have heard about orbitals, orbits. Now you must be wondering how orbitals look, right? The appearance, the look wise, orbitals are something like that. If you have S orbital will be something spherical, a spherical region. Spherical region inside nucleus is this, and the region around the nucleus, a spherical ball like region, is known as S orbital, right? If I explained it over here in the figure, this is nucleus, and the region around this region around nucleus is a spherical region, and this will be known as S orbital. If this is the first orbit, then this orbital will be known as 1s. If there is a second orbit and we talk about a spherical region, then a spherical region of the second orbit will be called as, this region will be called as 2s. And in between 1s and 2s there will be a region or a circular region where probability of electron finding will be 0. Psi square will be 0 out here. So this will be called as node. And this is actually a ring shape. So this will be called as radial node. Alright. So in 2s orbital we have one radial node. In 1s orbital there is no radial node, because from the formula you can calculate from n minus l minus 1 that for 1s n minus l minus 1 will be 0. For 2s orbital, n minus l minus 1 will come out to be 1. So radial node in 2s orbital is 1, 1s orbital is 0, 3s orbital it will be 2 radial nodes. Radial node is nothing but a spherical region or a imaginary ring in which probability of finding electron is negligible. Alright. So this is basically a space in which finding electron is maximum. Orbital is, if you want to know the definition, you can put it down in with your pen. That orbital is three-dimensional space around nucleus where probability of finding electron is maximum. And node, that region inside the orbital where probability of finding electron is minimum, is called as node, right? So there are specific regions. If it is a spherical region where electrons are present, then we say that electrons are present in s orbital. If the s orbital is present in first orbit, we say 1s orbital. If electron is s orbital is present in second orbit, we say 2s orbital. If that spherical region is present in third orbit, we say as 3s orbital. Similarly, we have certain dumbbell shaped regions. You know dumbbell, right? In gym people go and do some exercises with the dumbbell, that dumbbell. So dumbbell shaped region, the orbital is known as p orbital. It is present in second orbit, you say 2p orbital. If it is present in third orbit, you say 3p orbital. If that dumbbell region is present in fourth orbit, you say 4p orbital. Similarly, you have five types of d orbitals. What are the types? You have five types of d orbitals which are like this: dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square, and dz square. So these are five types of d orbitals which have been found out so far. And with this, we end this slide.